Hey there, in this video, we're gonna be going over a power twister workout. So if you're not familiar, one of these is a power twister, what I also call a pec stick. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my last video where I actually talk about the benefits of training with the pec stick, especially if you're working out from home. Now, this tool can be used for a lot more than just chest training, and that's exactly what you're gonna find in this workout. So, this pec stick or power twister workout comprises of a lot of the drills and exercises that are actually contained in my newest online course called the Pec Stick Academy, which you can learn more about in the description and snag your discount code there. So again, this is a total body power twister workout. We're covering every major movement pattern while incorporating the stick itself. So take notes, have fun, and leave a comment with your favorite exercise. The first move is a basic close holding the stick overhead. This works more of the shoulders in concert with the chest. From the same position, simply flip your grip so the handles meet behind you. This variation hits your rear delts while opening the T-spine. The next exercise is a simple front delt raise. Your goal here is to lift your hands as high as possible while keeping tension through the pecs. Obviously, this gets harder to do the higher you go, so don't try to push for maximal height. This raise can be performed with an underhand or overhand grip and can also be loaded by spearing the handle through a light kettlebell. The power twister also adds a fun challenge to the pulling pattern. Take a dual grip holding both the stick handle and a thick resistance band. Holding an underhand close, row your hands to the base of the chest. Maintaining a squeeze with the pecs while rowing with the lats and biceps is tricky at first and way harder than it looks. Moving to our lower body movement patterns, the pec stick can easily be incorporated into the goblet squat. The lower center of gravity combined with the pec engagement adds a unique challenge to this basic lift. We're utilizing the band and stick dual grip again for training the deadlift pattern. Tie a band off a kettlebell and move in close for a vertical line of resistance. Hold the stick closed and perform a hip hinge as usual. For a bonus variation, you can choke up and actually lift the kettlebell off the floor. Finally, you can use the power twister to amp up the basic plank. Close the stick and get into a low elbow plank position. Lift the hands just up off the floor, and this is one of the best exercises for practicing total body tension. To get the most out of your power twister, check out my new online course, which includes a ton of exercise lessons, tips, programs, and challenges. Learn more and get your special launch week discount code in the description.